Okay, so what happened before is that I hadn't put the charger on properly. I noticed that because the red light wasn't on. There's a red light on there. It means that when it turns to green, it is ready charged. Okay? Yeah. I remember this from a while back at one time. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe the battery needed more charging for the red thing to come on the light, or maybe I didn't put it on properly. I don't know. If you face a problem that's not charging, that might be a problem there. So maybe that you haven't put it on properly, or maybe because it needs more charging. I don't know about batteries. All I know is just minutes ago, I took it off and tried it on the drill. It didn't work. And I said, what's going on here? It's been here for 48 hours. The battery must be flat. Not necessarily the case. Because I put it back in there, and this time I put it in properly. Okay? And pressed it right in, and a red light went on. That's the first time a red light went on. So I said, the red light's on. It basically needs charging. So it must be charging. Unless the battery's had it, it's charging. So it should turn to green. When that turns to green, it should be ready. Possibly in 48 hours. According to a friend of mine who said that it takes 48 hours. So we'll see if it works after 48 hours from today, from now. I just tried it minutes ago. So it's 4 a.m. approximately now here in Melbourne, Australian time. So about 4 a.m. or after Monday, and it should be ready. So is the other one, the other machine, the engraver that I put. I had the button on, that is the working button on, so that basically means when it's charging, it's going to be flattened at the same time. It hasn't got enough time to charge because the energy has been wasted. So I turned it off now. So that means it may charge now, it may not. We'll see what happens with the engraver that I'm trying to charge. That also should be ready by Monday, 4 a.m. in the morning or after. So till next time, see you later, take care, and God be with you all. Bye.